Hey, this is Aaron with SimpleTix.com. I want to talk about our brand new waiting list features. So if an event is available and there are tickets available, people can always select a date and buy tickets. It's really easy. But what I want to show you right now is if an event is sold out, what the options are. So here's a case where time is sold out. People could sign up for a specific time if they wanted to. I'll also show you in this example a case where the entire event might only have one time in total, what to do. Right now, if somebody was interested in this event, you have no way of capturing their information. So if you wanted to let them know, like the next time you have a cooking class that's similar, saying, hey, FYI, we just launched that chicken parmesan cooking class all over again. Get tickets now. Let's say you're having this event in March. You want to let them know. Or let's say you do an expansion, you have more space and you can add more capacity. You could let them know as well too. But right now, it's key to always capture that buyer's information, first name, last name, email, and phone number, because why not? That's valuable information. So in this video, I'll show you how to do it. The very first step would be finding the event. So here's the specific event. This will be at the event level. So it's not gonna be for all of your events, it'll just be each event that you turn it on for. So down here, you'll see waiting lists on the left-hand side under Manage Attendees. And to enable waitlist, go ahead and turn it on here, and boom, now the waitlist is enabled. That was easy. So if I go back here now and hit refresh, I should see the option to join the waitlist. So this is automatically turned on when the event is sold out. So I'll click join the waitlist right now, and basically it doesn't allow me to buy tickets because it's completely sold out. But if I want to sign up for the waitlist, I can simply do this and click join waitlist. And now I'm on the waitlist. And you'll now see the name right there. So if you did add more capacity and you wanted to email everybody in the waitlist, just click here to select all the people, if there's more than one, and click email selected. And here's your template. You can drop in a link to let people know tickets are available. If you want to include event time URL just by clicking this, and that will give them the link to get tickets. Okay, so now I'll show you the case where you have an event with multiple times and one of the times is sold out. So here you have an event where the 20th is sold out, but the 21st has tickets available in the future. So let's do that for this event. It's called Fancy Grilled Cheese. So I'm gonna find this event on the back end. I'm gonna go over to events and type it, actually it's right there, I'll click on it. And I'm gonna go to waitlist and I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for this event. And there's no save button, it's automatically saved. So now what I'll do is I'll hit reload on the event page right here. And it says join the wait list, and that's because there's no tickets really available. So this event time is sold out. If somebody wanted this specific event time, they could sign up right here. I'll go ahead and sign up as well. I'll click join the wait list. Now if on the 21st, tickets are not available yet. So you can also sign up for the wait list for this specific time as well. I'll click join the waitlist. And now when I go back to this site, when I click waitlist, you'll see my name here for this time, and I think you'll also see my name for this time as well, because I signed up for these specific types. And when tickets are available, obviously people can buy tickets right away for the 21st. So hopefully this video is helpful. If you've enjoyed this, let us know. If you have any questions, also let us know. Have a great day. Bye now.